Hi everyone, I'm Chef Manuel Bouillet and I'm an international pastry consultant. I'm traveling the whole world to teach viennoiserie and pastry. I started pastry at the age of 15 in France, and then I've been learning the basic and then advanced pastries. So after France, my experience brought me to Chicago in the US. I've been working for 5 years over there and then moved to Shanghai for about 3 years. I'm now based in Taiwan, in Taipei, and then I'm teaching pastry and doing research and development to do some consulting. My passion is really about teaching. Because we also have other kinds of fat inside. In the dark chocolate, we do not have any milk fat inside the dark chocolate. In the milk chocolate, of course, we have a little bit of milk fat, and then in the white chocolate is even more milk fat into it. So having a very pretty and appealing pastries is of course very important. You know, this is what will really attract the customers coming to your shop. We are attracted by the eyes at first. Of course, we don't know how it's gonna taste. However, the pastry has to look good, but then it has also to taste good, because if you look good, then you take a picture, but then if it doesn't taste good, will you come back? Maybe not. So it's very important to combine both worlds together, the look and then the taste together. Then for the look, I advise you to make it quite simple. The more chocolate decoration you have on it, the more complex it is, then maybe your customer may not appreciate it, so keep it simple. Sustainability is actually very important in our industry. Of course, we work with different kinds of ingredients and different locations, of course, where the ingredients are produced. For example, the chocolate and the dairy is mainly gonna come from France. And then we know that transportation will make it less sustainable, but we have to pay attention also the way we use it. We can grab the ingredients from all around the world, but to use them cautiously to make sure we don't waste anything. This is why when I teach students, then when you make the recipe, then you need to scrape nicely the mixing bowl and so on. Then of course you want to use ingredients where you know, like the local source. You can do a mix between imported and then local product. We have amazing fruits over here in Thailand and all around the world, so use the fruits from here maybe, and then some other ingredients that you may find. So sustainability is all about balancing. Trends are actually going very fast in the pastry industry, and how to keep up with them? Then definitely social media will help you to do that. Then Instagram and then Facebook and TikTok and so on is actually a great platform to be advised on what's the last trend. However, I think we can follow the trend, but the best would be to create the trend. Try to actually sit at your office or be in the kitchen, and then what can be the next trendy products in your industry. Search for it and then of course post later on to showcase what's the new trend. But make it personal. I think being a very personal and to make your product very unique will make your customer to come to you. One thing that I really love is to actually do demonstration, sharing with as many people as possible. Teaching the new generation, this is them who's gonna lead the pastry industry in the future. So we want to teach them the right basics in order for them to reuse it and to transform it, later on to recreate their own product. Definitely teaching the new generation is the most important if we want to ensure the quality of our industry in the future.